Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Chanchal this side once again in front of you all, and I'm back again with the hiring process of Riyadh Airways, which is based out of Saudi Arabia, which we all know. So yes, as we all know, 1 or 2 months prior, they shared their hiring process for a cabin crew for the candidates all over the world. But yes, as far as I know, nobody received any kind of revert or any kind of update from them from India regarding their hiring process. But yes, I'm back with the good news. They are hiring again in Delhi, and they are hiring in so many countries, but in Delhi also. So let's discuss about their requirements, what are the things which they are looking for in candidates, and later on I will also tell you regarding their form, their application form, where to apply, how you could apply, and what will be the documents which will require. So we will discuss that in detail. So let's discuss first of all what are the requirements. So first one is regarding your fluency in English language. So yes, the person should be fluent in English, and they will also ask you your in how many languages you are fluent in application form. So yes, but this is the basic requirement, that English should be fluent. Another one is regarding your height and arm reach. The person should be arm reach of 212 centimeters, and height should be 160 centimeters. 160 centimeters as in 5'3", okay, inches. 5 foot 3 inch. Okay, so they haven't specified regarding male or female, but that's the basic requirement which they want from you guys. And another one is regarding your visa requirements of Saudi Arabia. So your visa, it should unki jo requirements hai as per their Gulf country, तो उसकी requirements आपकी uski requirements basically meet honi chahiye. And the other one is regarding your age. You should be 21 or above, and not below 21 or 20 and then some months, because of course they will not accept that. Okay, then next one is regarding your confidence while swimming. So if you know swimming, then that's a very nice thing. But if you doesn't know swimming, then yes, you should be confident enough to take help from a flotation device, of course a life vest, life jacket. So uska help se you should know, you should be confident enough to swim in water. Okay, that's what they want. Then it's regarding your education. You should have your 12+2 certificate, proper certified, in form. While filling out the application, they will also ask you that have you done a full-time course, or have you done it online, or have you taken private classes or something. So they will ask you in detail about that. There will be options, or usko aapko select karna hoga from options. Then it's regarding your customer service experience. So the person should have 1 year of customer service experience. Okay, either it's in aviation or either it's in non-aviation department. For them, what matters is that it should have, the person should be having customer service experience. Okay, so I will tell you in detail regarding the customer service experience. And these are the basic things which they want in you all, their basic requirements. But I also read somewhere that of course, which is again a basic point, that there shouldn't be any kind of tattoo. The person should have clear skin, and piercing should not be there in visible part of uniform. Okay, so I thought that okay, that's a add-on point, bonus point. So but yes, that's very basic. I thought why not share it with you all, because I read it in their company website only regarding this. So these are the requirements which they want from you all. So let's discuss now about their form, the application form. So I will share the link in the description box regarding their careers wala page, because I received so many texts that where to apply, how to apply, and how to got to know that the job is fake or not. So yes, I will share their proper career wala page in the description box, so you guys can go and just click on that link, and you will directly that link will take you to their career page. And over there you just have to open, you have to create your account first of all. After creating your account, create your passport and everything, write your basic details. After that you will be redirected to their page. So over there they will ask you about your basic details, okay, while filling up about the this application. So guys, while filling about this, make sure that you are filling for Delhi only, okay, because they are hiring in so many countries, as I already told you earlier. So please ensure कि आप दिल्ली वाले में ही you are applying, Delhi India. कहीं और का मत अप्लाई कर देना, ठीक है. सो फिर yes, they will ask you in the application form regarding your basic details, your name and like phone number, contact details, residential address, all those things. After that they will ask you about your employment details. So employment details, of course it will be like as I already told you that they want 1 year experience at least in customer service experience. So over there you guys can mention either you are non-aviation or aviation people. You guys can go and mention over there regarding your aviation experience, your customer facing service experience. And yes, after that another thing is regarding your education. So they will ask you, like I told you now, that they will ask you regarding your 12th plus. So over there only education column you will get an option about your 12th plus, that either it is regarding like full-time course or online course, everything, okay, in detail. You just have to select that particular option. Then it's regarding your consent, like they will ask you that okay, are you comfortable to relocate, or are you comfortable to receive any kind of communication from our end. So this is very basic, okay. Last me you will also yes, so like if you are aviation people, like I didn't apply it, but I was just going through their application form so that I could make this video and tell you all in detail. So they were yes, so if you're aviation people, okay, so that's fine. ऊपर employment details में आपका aviation का, cabin crew का और ground staff, whatsoever your experience is, you can write it over there. But yes, in like when you will come below नीचे की तरफ, then there will be one more column regarding your customer facing experience, okay. So over there you guys can mention like regarding hospitality experience they want, that okay, either it's regarding food and beverage, or either it's regarding any other specific area of customer facing experience, okay. So they will ask you over there about your organization, also your number, your year of experience in numbers, okay. So like you can just fill this details, and the application will end it over there. After that there will be also consent about the relocation in Delhi, in apologies, in Saudi Arabia, okay, that are you comfortable to relocate or not, okay. So these are the basic details which they will ask you while filling up the form. And yes, documents ka they want very basic documents, of course, your resume, updated resume, your portrait photograph, and your full length photograph, and your passport, and what else, yes, and your education, your 12th pass certificate, okay. So these are the basic things which they want. Either you want like your highest education certificate, basically if you are bachelor's, if you are postgraduate, or if you have done I mean diploma after 12th or whatsoever. What matters is that 12th plus आपका 10+2 वाला सर्टिफिकेट होना चाहिए, ठीक है. That's what matters. उसके ऊपर आपने जितनी भी क्वालिफिकेशन की है, you guys can upload that photograph also, completely up to you. So yes, I believe yes, I've covered all the points. So with this I have I am coming to the end of this video. And yes guys, please do share this video with your friends who really want to shift into Gulf country and who want to apply for an international airline. And yes, if you have any kind of questions regarding still if you are facing any kind of problem while applying about this airline or about this hiring, then please feel free to ask your questions either on my Instagram handle. I will share the link in the description box, or apart from that you can ask in the comment section below. I will answer it over there also. And if you want any other video or on any particular topic, then do let me know. Feel free to ask your questions on from me, and I will record that video on that particular topic and share my knowledge with you all. And yes, if you really like this video and this video was helpful for you all, then please like and share and subscribe with your friends, so you don't miss any kind of updates, hiring updates or any other updates, which whatsoever I will share on my Instagram, like on my YouTube channel. So yes, with this I will take a leave with you all, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Till the time, take care, and best of luck. Bye bye.